What up, Dogfish Nation? Alright.
Excuse me?
Recording video.
Oh, sorry.
What up, Dope Fresh Nation?
Right, well, you should have said. Right?
Sorry.
You're talking to me.
Even when I'm not talking to you, you mistake that I'm talking to you. Okay, as I was saying, quick update. Messerschmitt. Hawker Hurricane. Messerschmitt. Tomahawk. And Phantom.
Hello there.
Hey, Grandad. These are my current 5 kits, and hopefully I can actually build them soon. So yeah, that'll be my V-Build series. I'm not sure if I'll be painting them up before putting them together or afterwards. Never been good with painting. But yeah, these are going to be fun. They have been opened to make sure all parts are there, and so far, yes, they are there. All of them have been grabbed from lower prices.
This is cool. Why don't you tell me what you know about it? It was my brothers who gave it to me when I was younger, and we had a lot of fun.
These are vintage kits. The yellow
Was actually high school. We took it down a hill that may have been too big for it.
that's not on the newer kits. So this is the newer one. These two are vintage ones. So that's pretty cool. I've got 2 vintage kits for my V-Build. It would have been awesome to have had an old Beyblade or a Gundam, but not easy to get in the UK. Mainly because not sold in shops. So yeah.
Have a good day.
Other updates. DX is going along well. Having a few problems because I think he's exceeding PMD's polygon count, so I can't load him into MMD. Triptychon is going rather well. I've built up his arms, I just need to build his body and his legs, then his head can be finished. Yeah, it's going to be tricky actually putting more than one model into the program, so it's going to be fun. Yeah. That's my mum. Say hi.
Hello.
Not easy to see when the sun's right there. And the dog is right there. Being a grumpy thing. Yeah. She's in heat at the moment, so she's a little bit crotchety. Me. All of these kits come with paint and glue, so that's going to be rather fun. Polysealant, 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 and polysealant. 4 tubes of polysealant. 2 of them are quick dries, and the other 2 are just general starter sets, so yeah. And they're all the same scale, 172. Yep, 172 scale. They're all 172 scale, so that's pretty good. I say once built up, these are going to be really nice. So, yeah. Toy collection update. Getting to it. I think it would be a good idea to actually do a collection video update after auto assembly. So yeah, maybe a before and after. Also, hopefully I'll be getting the Gosei Morpher soon, so we'll have to check on that Saturday. That would mean it would deplete the money I have, but hopefully EMA can fix that. So yeah, that's pretty much the update. Mechanical Hand, that's on hold at the moment until I can actually get material for it. I need to get material for a test shot, then actually make it. It's a little iffy. So yeah. Yeah, I'm going to sign us off.
Bye bye.
Peace on the street, son.